Hey, what's up guys? Spider-Man here, and today we're going to take a look at my favorite Halloween 2021 t-shirt costumes. And I'm going to be basing my research on the world's #1 e-commerce marketplace, that is Amazon. We're going to be looking exclusively at Merch by Amazon t-shirt costumes that were selling really well this year that I liked enough to want to share in this video. So why don't we get started? Whew, I think I may have suffocated if I had to do the whole video with the hoodie zipped up all the way. But surprise, I guess I'm Spider-Man. I have gotten that comparison to that people said in real life I look like, what's his name? The Tobey Maguire guy, I think that's his name, that played Spider-Man. Let me know if you think that in the comments below. That's something that a couple people have told me throughout my life. Definitely, I think my muscles are at least a little bit bigger than his, but if you see the comparison, let me know. All right, quick reminder, take advantage of that free weekly print-on-demand giveaway. The link is in the description. 2 winners are going to be selected and announced this Sunday. They're going to receive a license to Flying Research, print-on-demand research tools, AutomatePOD, print-on-demand design creation, automation, All-American Graphics, Premium Premade Graphics, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. Link is at the top of the description. It's completely free. All right, let's start the video off with some general Halloween t-shirts, okay? And then the second half will be Halloween t-shirt costumes, which are probably my favorite. So the first like general Halloween costume, well, this isn't, I guess, a costume, or is it? I don't know. The shirt says, "This is my Halloween costume." It's the ultimate, I don't really care about dressing up for Halloween, but I'm participating. Back when I had my day job, for instance, you know, I mean, I'm not going to lie. I wasn't the guy who didn't participate. I was the guy who would come in like a full body Spider-Man costume or like a Yoshi outfit from Mario. But, you know, that's just me. If you're, you know, a little bit more casual, you could check out the "This is my Halloween costume" t-shirt for $15 on Amazon. It's got 74 ratings, so clearly it's a pretty popular option for people that want to be festive but don't want to go over the top. There's a Jason parody t-shirt. Now, I would not sell this because of how close it is to the Halloween movie with the Jason villain in it, so I would probably stay away from it in that regard, but I do like the concept of the shirt. It says, "Hello, my name is Jason." It's got like a horror movie font, and it's got the blood splatter on the shirt. This one's random. It's just pixelated cherries, kind of from... Oh, okay, it's a group t-shirt. So they're marketing this as a group t-shirt and probably relating it to Pac-Man, you know, the older video game. And yeah, it's selling for $18.99. It's got 4 reviews, so it's selling pretty well. And it's just a good concept. I mean, you know, you can't put the words Pac-Man in the shirt, so you're going to have to hope that people find it and then it ranks when people are looking, when people who understand the concept are purchasing it, because it's not like you're not allowed to buy pixel or to sell a graphic of pixelated cherries. What you're not allowed to do is put the word Pac-Man in your listing. Circus security and unicorn security. Both of these are good shirts for, you know, parents taking their kids out trick-or-treating. If their kids are, you know, dressed up as like circus animals or unicorns, right? Makes a lot of sense. And, you know, it's just a little bit thinking outside the box, not just catering to people who want to dress up for Halloween, but again, you know, a cheap option to participate without going over the top. And then deck of cards. Now, I'm not going to lie. I actually sell t-shirts that are like deck of cards based. I don't remember why I did it. It was just kind of like popped into my mind one day years ago, and I had the time to upload them. One thing that stands out in my mind, by the way, if you guys do it, is that in the German market, I got rejections on, I think, the Ace. And I don't know what the translation was, but for some reason it didn't work. But the other thing that pops into my mind is that it actually sells. And I mean, it's so easy to make these. So, you know, think outside the box. This is a pretty easy to scale idea for t-shirts. If you're in lower tiers, you might not want to dedicate your upload slots to them because I don't know how well they're going to sell outside of Halloween. Like I get a couple sales a year outside of Halloween, but during Halloween, I always get some sales. All right, let's look at some t-shirt costumes here, and we're going to have some fun with this one. So the first ones, I do not think these are safe to sell. I'm not 100% sure. I never really attempted to sell them, but I just assumed that they were not safe to sell. So you have the crayons, and if you try to sell them, I don't know if Crayola has an agreement with Merch by Amazon or not, but I always stayed away. But it's very easy to sell these Crayola style crayons. You just pick the shirt color and then put the crayon design on them with the various colors. You've got the jail inmate shirt. I think I shared the story publicly that I made like literally the ugliest version of a jail inmate shirt on Amazon. Like, I probably have the ugliest one. The font selection's awful. The way I designed it was awful. Every year it makes sales. And one year it made 20 sales to one customer of the same shirt. So, and the joke is I had uploaded other like similar shirts with different numbers so that you could actually use it as a group costume, but people bought 20 of the same one. So, hey, never say never. Apparently we can make this work. You have the tiger costume. I mean, this is simple, easy enough to execute. They're just using little triangles on a circle and picking the right shirt color and the right foreground color. So, by the way, 71 ratings on that tiger shirt. That is incredible. I bet you they sell a lot of the youth size. Oh, Pablo wants to say hello. Oh. My dog Pablo wanted to say hello for the video. Pablo, you want to join me for the rest of the video, buddy? You have the pig costume here. Very simple. It's like a easier version than the tiger costume that we saw there. It's just a circle on a pink shirt. You have the pig costume number 2, and they did a little bit more in this one. So they went ahead and drew the pig's face on there. 74 ratings, doing really good. We're going to have to make a Pablo shirt, huh? You have the reindeer costume, $19.99, by the way. And this is ranked during Halloween, but we know it's a more or less a Christmas shirt. So $19.99, that's a healthy price point. And now it's got 3.5 stars. I'm wondering if the textured belly of the reindeer is maybe not translating as well into like the end result print. I don't know. I'm just guessing. You got the egg costume here. I don't know why that's a thing, but apparently it is. It's just got a fried egg on the shirt, but it has 19 ratings. So hey, why not? If people are buying it, you know, that's validation. You have the fox costume, and all they did was make like the fox fluffy chest fur. You've got the giraffe costume here. This is probably one of my favorites. Just a yellow shirt with the kind of giraffe colors on the foreground and the front. 21 reviews. You got the Dalmatian costume, a classic. Everybody loves dogs, obviously me included, although I like chihuahuas. Avocado costume. And you can also make this into a couple's costume, which, by the way, I'm planning on doing one more Halloween video with my girlfriend, Marielle, and we're going to look at our favorite Halloween couples t-shirt costumes. So make sure you subscribe so you catch that one. You got the frog costume, and I like how they made the head of the frog. You know, they basically oriented the design as close to the top as possible, vertically speaking, so that when the neck got cut off, it's kind of flows into the human head. So that's actually... If you look at this design style, this has potential for other animals and animal costumes to work if you do a similar kind of design. Mustard costume, hot sauce or buffalo sauce costume. Now, I'm not sure if these are protected or not. I mean, I've seen so many of them that I think it's safe. But obviously, you know, do your own research, validate your niches, and don't put the word Heinz in there, you know, the biggest brand of mustard. All right. Fire and Ice, again, another couple's costume. So you can check out the, I'm going to drop that video probably later this week with Marielle on our couple's costumes ideas. Because, by the way, guys, like, what's better than making one t-shirt sale for Halloween? Right? Making 2 t-shirt sales, or make a whole family costume, right? Like the Pac-Man idea. So that's what we're going to be exploring in that video. And my favorite, can I get a drum roll? My favorite costume. I actually put this one in my top 5 niches of the week as my bonus shirt. I don't know why. I like this one. It's the simplicity of it. It's a traffic cone costume. Number one, because I guess if you're a human wearing a bright orange shirt that just says in plain text, I am a traffic cone, it's just a parody. It's like a Halloween parody, right? Like, it's the antithesis of trying hard for Halloween. It's the antithesis of me going into my old office job dressed up in a full body Yoshi costume, you know, or, you know, Spider-Man or whatever. So I like this. It's kind of counterculture a little bit. So I like it. $15, you get a funny Halloween costume t-shirt. Let me know what your favorite was in the comments below, especially if I missed it. All right. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Before I sign off, just wanted to remind you, I do have that full print-on-demand course that I am constantly updating and adding new content to. It walks you through how I make 6-figure print-on-demand sales every single year. Like a couple weeks ago, I launched my Amazon advertising course, which is like all-encompassing, everything you need to know for Amazon advertising. People in my print-on-demand course got instant access at no charge. It's just included, okay? So it's a great investment, guys. And, you know, you get access to all past content and future content. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon.